So as you can see, let's go and check this, that how and what is the software configuration is right now. So looking at the software information, you can see that it is running One UI 2.0, Android 10, and so we will be updating this to the Samsung Galaxy S10 family, and we will be updating this One UI version 2.0 to 2.1. So let's go and check it out first. First of all, go to the settings, open settings, and next go to the software update section, and here you will be getting an option download and install. So it may take some time, let it take some time, and it is checking. So it will be checking for update. So make sure that you are connected to a Wi-Fi connection. I'm not connected to a Wi-Fi connection, but Wi-Fi connection is recommended. So as we can see, there is a software update possible, that is of 1500 16 almost 1600 MB. So we can see all that features that they are going to implement. It is almost all the Galaxy S20 family features. So we are happy that we are using this device and we are going to get all that features, almost all the software features in this S10 itself, not the hardware features. So if you want to learn more about this software update, you can click here and go and view the what all offers or what all implementation it is going to be done with this new software update. So you can read that later. So let's download this. So as you can see, the download has started already, and it may take some time. And once the download is going on, let me take my time even. So as you can see, the download is still going on, and there's just 5 to 6 minutes more. So let's wait. We don't have any other options even. So now let's go and check how long the download has been going on. So almost 1 minute more. As you can see, it is already done almost. It is not taking that time, so just more 20 seconds. This is an amazing update, we all know, because we are going to get all the S20 family features on this S10 device. So that's nice, not the hardware features but obviously the software features. So as you can see, the download is completed. Let's wait for some time. So it is showing either the download is done. Now it's time that either we have to install it or let's schedule the install. So I'm going to turn my screen recorder off, and I'm going to install it right now. Yeah, I'm back now, and let's see if the software update is, it is finishing its system update. I think it is going to take some time, but let's go and configure either the latest version of One UI has come or not. Go to the settings, then software information. Yes, One UI 2.1. Here we go. No issues. One UI 2.1, and the software Android version is same, no issue, but we are running One UI 2.1. So finally, this was how to update your Samsung Galaxy S10 family to the One UI 2.1. Still the device is finishing the system update, so better wait and watch. So that's it, how to update your device, Samsung Galaxy S10 device, to the latest version of One UI, that is One UI 2.1.